Good day everyone, I am Cristela Eve Carlos from BSIT2C. Which Zumba style do you like the most and why? The Zumba style I like the most is the one of the fast and energetic movements because it is fun and makes me feel more active. I enjoy the music and how it makes exercising feel like dancing rather than a workout. How do this the Zumba style contribute the overall health and fitness? Zumba styles help improve physical health by increasing stamina, flexibility, and coordination. They also help to burn calories and strengthen the heart. Aside the physical fit benefits, Zumba also reduces stress and improve mood because of the lively music and movement. How can apply your knowledge of Zumba in your daily exercise routine? I can apply my knowledge of Zumba by including simple dance routine in daily exercise. Even of a short time each day, I can follow Zumba steps to stay active and maintain a healthy body and makes exercise for enjoyable.